Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a Canvas homepage. You start out by going to Pages and click on this and click on Plus Page. And from here, name it. I'm going to just name this Sandbox homepage. I recommend you naming it whatever your course is, so if you're teaching biology or whatever. From there, then you click inside here. I've changed my settings so that I see RCE enhancements. If you haven't, then yours is going to look a little different, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to figure it out. I'm going to click centered because I want my title to be in the center. I'm going to make it bigger, and then I'm going to title my page here. This is what the students will see. So if your class is concurrent biology, then that's what you'll name it, or whatever your class is called, that's what you're going to name it. And then I do want to make mine blue, so I'm going to click and change it to be blue. Now everything though is still blue, so if I don't want it blue, then I can now change it back to black or whatever. I don't want mine centered anymore. If you want to continue yours centered, that's fine. I'm going to change my font down to 12, and I'm going to give a 1 to 2 sentence description. This is the sandbox. Throughout this year, you will learn to play in the sandbox. If you'd like to see the state course standards, go here. Do you have to put your state course standards? No. I just tend to do that year after year. I already had mine saved on another page, so I'm just going to copy that, bring it back into my page, click on the link button. It's an external link. I'm going to paste my link right there, click done. Next, I'm going to add a picture. And I do that by clicking on the picture icon and upload image. Now from here, if you're not on RCE enhancements, it might not have the Unsplash option. I don't remember, but you can always do it with a URL or upload a picture from your computer. And you don't even have to have an image. This is just if you want to. So for mine, I'm going to click Unsplash and look for Sandbox. That's a great one. I'm going to click Submit. Now it comes in really big, so I do want to adjust mine. You don't really want anything over 700, and you can see the numbers right there. But I'm going to kind of just move mine. I'm not even going to really pay attention to the numbers. I just want it so that I think it's a good size, which I think that's great. Now I'm going to center it. You don't have to. Again, these are all options you want to do. But then I hit enter again. And I'm going to change my font to 14. You can do whatever you want, but I'm going to put instructor information. Now you can do a whole little blurb about you. Hi, my name is, or whatever you want. I'm going to make it simple and just put instructor and put a name. You'll put your name. If you want, you can add a picture here of yourself. You can add a Bitmoji of yourself, whatever you want. The next thing you do need, though, is contact. If you want them to email you, then put your email address. District.org. Or you can just put something like, please, I'm linked. You can always just put contact me through Canvas inbox. And then hopefully they'll use this inbox button to contact you. The next thing that we would like you to have is to explain to your students that this course will be run through modules, and you can copy and paste that information from the checklist that I sent you, and that's all I'm going to do. However, since I already have modules made, I'm going to link where it says Module 1 to Module 1. So I copy, or I highlight where it says Module 1, go to Links and click Course Links, and then click Modules and put it on Module 1, and then I have my link. I'm going to click Save and Publish. Yes, you want the Publish option, because now that it's published, I can click on these three dots and click view or use as front page. You know it's the front page because it now says front page. It's published. That's exactly how we want it. We're going to go back and click on home. From home, I'm going to click choose home page. Change it to pages front page and click save. And boom, there's my new home page. I have a link to module 1 and that's exactly how I want it. If you have questions, let me know.